guys. It's about 5:44 in the morning. Every day it's somewhere between 106 and 110 degrees, so it's really hot to wash in the afternoon. Right now, 75 degrees, optimal time. I want to do a little decontamination. I want to do it quietly, so we're not going to use the big foam cannon. We're going to use a little hose foam cannon here. And this is quiet, makes plenty of foam. Inside there, we're going to use the Invoke Snow Pro Active Foam. This is something you foam on the car and it breaks down organic contamination. All right, very, very good product at breaking down. Basically, it's a pre-foam, all right? And after we do that, we're gonna use the Greenways Ceramic Wash Plus. This has got good lubrication in it, it says, and it's gonna be good for laying on top of any other protection. This vehicle has plenty of protection from ceramic coatings to whatever I've been topping it with. So this will be a great topper. Let's try these out. We're gonna use the detail cart. We got the buckets, we got some dirt lock guards, and we got some mitts over here. A lot of the supplies I got over at autoforge.net. We're gonna be using greenwayscc.com if we wanna look at their site. And we've got, that's invoke.com, invokecarcare.com.au. It's a lot in one sentence. Alright guys, so as you can see, the Invoke Snow Pro Active Foam, it foams very nicely. I just foamed it real lightly. That's not even a pressurized foam cannon, just from the hose. It foams good. I'm going to give it a little time to sit there. And the smell of it's fantastic. Reminds me of a Koshemi type of product that just emanates all around us. What I'm going to do is I'm also going to spray some wheel cleaner real quick while I'm letting that sit on there. So the snow foam does do a nice job. I had some kind of bird bombings, I guess, a little bit there, and I had some on the hood over there. It got them off pretty easily. You know, you let it sit on a little bit and then rinse it off. The pressure of the hose just takes it off. So that's a pretty nice pre-foam there. So now let's get the Ceramic Wash Plus. I'm just gonna do a hand wash with it, and let's see how that feels, how that looks. All right, so the Ceramic Wash Plus, it doesn't really hold the foam very well, although while washing the car, it felt very slick underneath the mitt. If it has this SAO2 in it, you guys know it doesn't hold foam. So it's very hard to get those two components to be in the same sentence together. Yeah, I got a light scent of some green apple. All right guys, I got it pretty much air dried, most of the liquid off, but we're gonna use the McKee's Fast Gloss Ceramic Sealant. I'm gonna spray this as a drying aid, and then I'm gonna just a few sprays, I'm gonna come over with the Glacier 1100 towel. All right guys, hope you liked the video. Today we did a little wash up. We wanted to do it quietly. Shh. We didn't want to wake everybody up because it's early in the morning. So what we did was we grabbed the hose foam cannon with the pre-foam that gets the organic contamination out. This is from Envoke Car Care over in Australia. Stuff's fantastic, smells good. It does work on your vehicle. Put about 2 ounces into this and it foamed up very nicely. Mind you, this is hose pressure. Now this foam cannon is different because it has a little gun like this that attaches to it. And then you foam it, unattach it, and you can rinse it. Very cool product. Foamed up the vehicle and let it sit for a while, and then I rinsed it. It was very clean at that point, ready for some soap hand wash. We use the Greenways Ceramic Wash Plus. This doesn't foam a lot, it doesn't hold a lot of the foam, but it has a lot of lubrication. It smells good, and it seems to add some nice protection. It's a good topper for your already protected vehicle. Get this over at Greenways. From there we use the blower here. This is the Hurricane over the McKee's 37. Very, very cool. I went ahead and blew that down, grabbed the towel. I got the Glacier 1100, and I used the new Fast Gloss Ceramic Sealant as a drying aid, so we get lubrication while we're drying as well as we're adding more protection on top. Very, very nice, easy product. For the tires, I used American Detailer Garage Unity on a brush. And to get my stuff around, I use the detail cart. This is Carolina detailing cart. We got the bucket insert there. Everything's very easy, guys. So if you get a chance, go check out the websites. I'll put links to the products below. Autoforge.com, and you got envoke.com.eu. You've got greenwayscc.com. and you've got AmericanDetailerGarage.com. So guys, check them out. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.